have another new icon to show you today. Okay, today I am wearing this super cute new Belle Tress Twain. This is from the Belle Tress Icons collection, and the color on this one is Mixed Berry, which is 33.29 plus 6, so it has a 6 root. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is so cute. Super easy to wear. Oh my goodness, just so adorable. So I do want to mention that this wig was provided by wigs.com for me to review for you all today. I will have a link so you can purchase this wig with a 30% discount from wigs.com down in the description box. So let's start taking a look at Twain. So the Icons collection is going to give you the ear-to-ear lace. So really nice looking hairline. So monofilament lace all the way across the front for the hairline. And then the top is hand tied. So the knots are just slightly larger. I still think they look good. These tend to have a little more volume, so the part doesn't even show that much, but I just do want to make you aware that in my opinion, this is a hand tied top because you can visibly see the difference in the knots on the mono and the knots that are on the top. They're a little bit larger. So, but not a deal breaker. Still super, super cute styles. And gosh, I'm just loving this color. So pretty. Okay, so the fit, I'll show you the ear. I kind of showed you the ear tabs, but just so you can see the coverage I have at the ear tabs. This is fitting pretty true to average, but a little bit on the smaller side of average. So that's good for those of you who are petite. I did not have to bring in my adjusters. And the ear-to-ear is very comfortable on me, and the cap is not touching the back of my ears or anything like that. So I think that these Belle Tress Icon wigs are good for petite if you're just slightly under average, and then like in the middle of the average range. Okay, so the measurements for Twain are 5 to 6.5 inches in the front. So there is a long bang. I think if you wanted to get forehead coverage, you could get that. You know, if you wanted to trim in a little more bang, you can kind of get an idea of, you know, maybe a side sweeping bang there. So 5 to 6.5 inches, and then 6 to 11 inch sides with a nape of 3.5 to 4.5. And then the weight on her is 3.5 ounces. Let me pop her off. We can look at the inside of the cap. So here I'll try to show you. My zigzags want to come back, but you see what I'm talking about with the knotting? It's just a little bit larger. Like I said, not a deal breaker, but something to be aware of on the Icons collection versus the Luxe SE. The Luxe SE does have a true full mono top. Okay, so here is that hand-tied top, and there are 2 layers to the hand-tied top. So there's a net layer. So usually when you see a net layer like this, that's an indication that you have hand-tied knots versus monofilament knots. And if I put my finger there, you can indeed see that there's more than one strand of hair in those knots. Okay, so here we have monofilament on the lace front, and let me see if I can show you that. So you can see a difference in those knots versus these knots. Okay, and there are poly tabs for the ear tabs with a metal stay in there. Those are very nice. I love the color and the material that they use on these. It's just very soft, and I love the fact that it's almost clear. So they really don't show, which is nice. And then the cap is hand tied on this portion and then wefted on this portion, but super stretchy throughout. So that's why I'm saying this isn't just limited to those with small heads. It should stretch up to at least the middle of average fit. Extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and these are heat-friendly synthetic fibers. Let's talk about this beautiful color. I'm just putting her back on, but I just thought I would show y'all how easy she is. I'm just giving her a little comb out so she doesn't look all funky when we look at the colors. Super easy, just throw on and go. Absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, I love the curl. I just think she's so cute. Make sure I got her in the right place. 4-finger test, yep. Yeah, so cute. Okay, let's talk about this beautiful color. So this is the Mixed Berry R, 33.29 plus 6. That 6 indicates that we have a 6 root, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So that is a brunette root, a medium brown root. So every time you put a wig back on, of course you're gonna have some flyaways, and I can feel them like tickling my nose. Okay, So the description for mixed berry are, come on girls, let's behave ourselves. That's the only risk I take with like putting the wig back on camera. Okay, can we just calm down? Behave ourselves? Okay. Okay, so the description for mixed berry are, it's a bold berry-inspired red with deep auburn tones and soft rooting. So beautiful, beautiful color. So they're giving you the codes 3329. So we have a combination of auburns, a lighter like strawberry type, you know, auburn, strawberry blonde auburn, and then a deeper red auburn. And then I also see that root sort of going through it. So you're always going to have that root as a shadow. And you're going to see it at the nape. I'm sure you could see that when I was talking about the cap. If you separate the hair, you'll see the root. So when the wind blows and stuff, you'll be able to see your root. So that makes that root look natural. So here we are in window lighting. Here's the lace up close and the part. So you can see that rooting and also see that knotting. So cute. I love this color, y'all. It's so pretty. Okay, so it's really windy, but it's cloudy, so it's good lighting to see color. It was so warm this morning and now it's really chilly. Okay. She does have a, little bit of a volume to the curl, but it's not, it's still very natural as far as, density and being able to tuck it behind your ears and everything. So she is ear tuckable. So I like to do that so I can show you the glasses. So the glasses go on perfectly over these thin ear tabs. I mean, it's just so nice. And then you can put them up on your head, no problem. With a style like this, sometimes I'll just stick my glasses right in it, But let's look at a headband. She's not super long, so those sides were 6 to 11. We'll see if we can do a half up, half down or not. But you can always do a headband. That's super easy. And it's really easy on your fibers too, which I love. So we can get all the front back, or we can pull out a cute little curl here. Have a little hair, as much as you want to around the face. That looks cute too. Okay, let's see about half up, half down. I think the very front, what was that, 6? Yeah, we have a 5 to, I don't see a 5-inch layer. I don't know, I don't have a measure, but it looks more like a 6 to me. But 5 to 6.5 front is not gonna stay back, but oh yeah, I think I could get this in a clip. You know what, let me grab a clip and then we'll just double check it and then we'll see exactly what's I got. A little clip. I'm not exactly sure what it looks like in the back, y'all, because obviously I'm doing this on camera. I think I can clip that hair. So I got it clipped back there. But some of it I know is going to want to come down. So these layers in the front are going to want to come down. But honestly, they're so pretty around the face. I really love layers like this. They're not too long. They're not going to be in your eyes. They're not going to be in your face. But they just frame your face really pretty. Isn't that cute? They may not be perfect, but since I'm doing it on camera, but very cute. So that's a cute way to wear her. If you didn't want to pull her all the way back, you could also just, pin her back behind the ears or something like that, or pin up one side, leave one side down, however you want to do it. And then of course you have this gorgeous ear-to-ear lace. So you can pin her up on the top. That would be cute. Obviously, you're not going to put her in an updo or anything. I also think, you can play around with the texture and the curl on this. Put some product in it if you want to. You can have it more towards your face, if that's more to your liking, or you can feather it back away from the face more. And do more like that. You should also be able to get some volume. One thing I found with these hand-tied tops on the Icons collection is that you can get some volume on top. So, you know, if you're looking to get volume, you can get some volume as well. So lots of styling possibility. Super, super cute little style. I love, like I said, I love the curls, the waves in this one. It's just easy to throw on and go and have a super stylish hairdo right out of the box, no problem. So easy and so cute and so sophisticated. So thank you to wigs.com for sending this wig to review for you all. There'll be purchase information, as I mentioned earlier, with a 30% discount down in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye-bye.